out the candle.
Blow out the candle. Make a wish. Blow before the ice cream melts.
Yay!
You want to see?
Lights on.
Very good.
I want a piece of that, but with that.
These are actually chocolate. They're not bubble gum.
Can I have chocolate?
You know what? Everyone will get a piece of cake.
I don't care.
Me.
And you know what
Wherever
else?
she is.
It's made of ice cream. Okay.
I sit down here?
How can we help you, Jen?
Somebody cut the cake.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, that's going to be hard.
Eat it how you wait.
Bring them